Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the December cloth and paper stationery subscription box, and it's a great one, so stay tuned. In addition to the unboxing today, of course, we have a giveaway. Stay tuned till the end for some easy details on how to enter. So we've seen a lot of sneaks for this box, but not everything. Of course, one of the most anticipated is the archive box. And it is beautiful because it's cloth covered. And so it would go, in terms of decor, in many areas in your house. You could use it on a coffee table, you could use it in your office, you can stand it up, you can have it flat down, and it opens with lots of room. I'm so happy that I received 2 subscription boxes because I have 2 different sizes that I use, and now I've got 2 of these boxes and hoping to pick up more on the subscriber exclusive if it becomes available. So we also got this really cute paperweight. It's made of stone. Mine from bringing in the mail, still cold. It's got a flat bottom, so it can do a very good job of holding down some papers and staying up straight, and it's very decorative while also being extremely natural. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be from the pictures. And just to give you an idea, we did get a new page flag in Aspen, and you can just see size-wise so that you can get an idea. It came in a very nice black cloth bag, which I'm sure you can find another use for. Not on the sneaks, we've got greeting cards. And what this is just a very small greeting card that you could use to send to someone. It's got some handwriting on it, and then it's not folded. It's just a one side flip over, and it says merci. And you can use this to send a small thank you note, or you can just use this for your own notes. But it's very nice as a card because it has envelopes to go with it. One of the journal cards this month opens up your January so that it can actually sit on your desk. It's really nice. And I think that was a great idea, and it's very unique the way it stands up. 2 other great journal cards, and I love the fact that they're nice and minimal, and they're going right in my planner. I already mentioned the new flag, and we got this great pad, note to self. It's in a very, very pale green, and it's in a great size. Paper is a lot thinner than usual, which is actually a good thing because there's a lot of pages there. And it matches really well with this color, which is on the new Record page flags, which we have seen and we've all been anticipating. I love the newer page flags because all of them say the word at the bottom in a very small font, so you can use it as a tab inside your planner, and I'll show you how I did that. So this month's dashboard and inserts are really great in terms of reflection. So I'll show you how I've decided to use it. This is my Louis Vuitton Monogram Eclipse custom planner. What I have in here is not my day-to-day. It's basically a focus for me on an overview, technology, and marketing. Those are my areas. So I've got the overview tab here, and I would go into my yearly overview. This was not in the sub box, but I'm explaining how I use this section. I have shown this before, and I'll link another video up here in case you did not see it, explaining how I use this and showing you some things. But what I basically do is on the left side, it's divided into quarters, and then I put kind of my goals for that area, and I list those things and notes going down the left side. Then you have the 3 months in the quarter, and I can record my progress. So I've already removed my 2022. I will be working on getting this set up hopefully before the year starts. Remember I told you that I was going to use the Luxe page flag as a little tab over there with the word record. And so I have the new dashboard, which I thought was very attractive. And then the inserts are basically reflection. And what you do is you come up with an area of focus and then you have areas to reflect. So I started this on my 2022 technology, reflecting on the goals that I had had during 2022 and commenting on how I did on those, what I accomplished and what I needed to improve. This is a great insert to be able to use in your planner, and I think this was really a super box. Hope you are lucky enough to receive it. Of course, there's a giveaway. It's the holidays. So the lucky winner this time is going to get a package of journal cards, all types of deco and ephemera to use in decorating the pockets of their planner for next year. So all you have to do to enter is make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to the email list, and if you're not, there's a link below. And then just leave me any comment about this video and you'll be entered. Thanks for tuning in. Happy New Year. See you next time around.